all teas produced in Kenya for the export market shall, within 2 months after coming into effect of these regulations, be sold exclusively through the auction process. Henceforth, sale by private treaty, commonly known as direct sales overseas, is outlawed. Any teas that are not sold during a particular auction shall be relisted for sale during the subsequent auction. All registered tea auction organizers shall establish an electronic trading platform for tea auctions. We are saying anybody who is trading, who is participating in the auction, will have to do a performance board mandatory of 10% equivalent of the value of the tea they are buying. All buyers shall pay in full for all teas they win at the auction before they take custody and lift the tea for export. All factory limited companies shall henceforth register and enlist with the regulatory authority and auction organizer to participate at the tea auction directly. A registered tea broker shall offer brokerage services to a maximum of 15 factory limited companies. All monies from the sale of tea at the auction shall be remitted directly to the factory limited accounts within 14 days from the auction date, less only the agreed commission. Factory limited companies shall within 30 days from receipt of proceeds from the sale of tea pay tea growers at least 50% of payment for green leaf delivered every month.